connecting to this. In life, Aradia allocated her stress Spicibus? Ooh! That's for the blooper reel. What the? Is someone starting a no, let's try that again. The headphones, they kind of... There we go. But ironically, the romance she's so obsessed with is also one of the troll romances that does not involve procreation of any kind. Aradia's ancestor was the post-scratch version of Dang it, son. Okay, continuing with her lineage, it's probably safe to presume that Kanaya's other quote-unquote mother was the pirate Marquise Spinneret Okay, let's try saying that again. Dang it, Mindfang. There's a bonus song called Your Universe, a love song from Snowman to Spade Slick, concerning their Okay, she also attends to those in her care, and is ready to, dang it, son, I can't even read what I wrote. As trolls go, Kanaya's Virgo sets her as the 6th member in the... Dang it, that wording is awful. Why did I write it like that? Okay. Temporal shenanigans from the Colors and Mayhem universe... Oh man, but it's almost gonna ring, so I don't want to do it right now. We still got time. Okay. All of the Felt members' names are puns. Let's start with Ichi, with Ichi, which is Japanese for one. Dose comes... Dang it, son. I knew it was gonna happen. I just had to wait until it's done ringing. Aradia's ancestor was the post-scratch version. I'm gonna take a sip of water and drown my sorrows. An interesting fact is that Heart's boxcars charge Tavros Nitra. An interesting fact is that Heart's boxcars charge Tavros Nitram. Uselance. Okay. Rachel McWhirter. Rachel McWhirter. She's also the 6th player on the Trolls. No, she was also the 6th player on the... Dang it, son! Okay, as not only does he hate 99% of everything Okay. The word Megiddo derives from a specific type of sheep. I'm actually gonna have to research that right now. I am sorry. Megiddo... sheep? Megiddo, I don't think that it is. I am wrong, or am I not? I'll have to check. What the heck? Why didn't I see this before? I'm feeling dumb. I'm gonna have to use the F search. Sheep. The members of the Midnight Crew are as follows. Spade Slick. That was a car door slam. Maybe it has to do with her more easygoing personality and herbivorous animal motifs. How can we pronounce that better? Herbivorous. To the dictionary. Herbivorous. Maybe it has something to do with her more easygoing personality and her herbivorous animal motifs? Dang it. Balls. Let's try rearranging this entire paragraph. I'm sorry, Jen, in editing. Thank you guys so much for watching this Fridgestuck episode for Aradia Megiddo. I hope you enjoyed. Any facts that I missed? Do you have a character or concept that you'd like to see? Leave it down in a comment below and it might end up on the show someday. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend, and I will see you all next time. Bye! Herbivorous.